the reason why so that's one product, one location, right? Here on the floor standing stuff, we're gonna have to designate areas. Like, so we might say something like, from this pole to this pole, this square, right? Think about these 4 poles. It creates a square. That might be a location. So that could be, you know, whatever, location X. So it's going to be, okay, these boxes are in location X, and the guys are going to have to know what that is. Or like we could even break it down further, and we can create like rows, right? And this will be like A, B, C, D. And then the guys will have to say, okay, this is location, it's in location A. But the problem is that location A will have not just this skid, but that skid and that skid and that skid. So it's not going to be one location, in that instance, it's not going to be one location, one product. This is not something that's like new to inventory management systems. So when you're talking to them, you tell them that you have floor standing inventory that you also have to account for, in addition to racks. They should, and therefore you need to have a system that not only takes into account one product, one location, but also many different products, one location. You should be fine. They'll understand what you're talking about. And you guys get the concept, right?
No, yeah.
So Liz, I'll get you that information on how many racks we have. It's probably a few thousand, like maybe 4,000 to 5,000, something like that.
In here?
In here, yeah.
26. Okay. Now, when you count the racks, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, or
Well,
how do you count the racks?
The way that we were going to do it is we were going to say, let's just take this first rack that's closest to us. We'll call that whole area aisle 100. And then the one that's closest to us on the bottom, so then this whole column will be 101. And then it'll be A, B, C, D. So the first one on the bottom, closest to the left, will be 101A, 101B, 101C, 101D. Then the next one over will be 102A, 102B, 102C, 102D. You see what I mean? Because this way, if, let's say we decided that, in the future, let's make our palette shorter and let's add another row, right? You know what I mean? So bring all those things down and then make another row. We could do that, still using the same system and not have to change our way of doing things. We
Yeah.
just A, B, C, D, E. So that's why I want to do it that way. And same way going this way. You just add another.
101, 102, 103, 104.
Yeah, exactly. You just add.
But my question was, how do you count the racks now?
How do we count it? You mean like how do we know what's in what location?
No.
You mean the actual racks?
Yeah, the actual.
How would I count it?
Yeah,
Like, so
do you count it like vertical?
I count it by position.
By palette?
So like this. Here, look
I'm
at
not
this.
sure what that means.
This whole thing is actually just a one beam, another beam, and then the 3 side beams. So like when I give you the numbers, I'm going to tell you how many outlets I'm getting. So like for me, this will be 8. This thing here will be 8.
You count them by palette?
Yeah, I count by pallet location.
All right,
So that's how I'm gonna have locations.
Okay, that makes sense.
And then what I'll have to do is
It's falling
I have
out.
to put like the first. Because I'm thinking like this is going to reference this one. So what's going to reference this one?
You can have 1,
Yeah.
You can have two,
Two
Yeah,
next
you
to
have
each
to,
other.
yeah.
two, one down, one up,
Yeah,
one down,
right,
one up.
yeah.
That's how we have.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. That's how we do it. So, do you know what system you were using?
I don't really know,
Okay.
but we use for the actual inventory. We use the Sans E and and it was another program that we used. It was old, but I know some of the locations they still using.
Yeah.
However, the scanning system is a different entity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really want to get that thing. Because it's so good. So yeah, so the only thing that we have to figure out is making sure, you can see some of the tanks. I don't know if you can see it behind this stuff. But
Yeah, I was
that's
gonna
a tank
ask,
on-
what is that?
Yeah, these are, this is a kettle. So,
Oh, okay.
and that's a tank that's on the side.
Oh.
Tilt it up, it'll be pretty cool. So basically what we'll do is we'll batch in one, then usually you batch like a huge base, right? And then you move it into smaller kettles and then like fragrance it, color it, and whatever you have to do. So these are the smaller kettles. So what's going to happen is the lines are going to run like this. The liquid lines are going to run this way. The powder lines are going to run this way. And then they're going to meet in the middle. And then what will happen is, I'll show you guys one back. The pallets, the production is here, the pallets are going to drop.
Now I have to take it out to dinner just for that.
Pobrecito.
And then there'll be like a big door here, and it'll roll, the forklifts will be able to roll it up, and then they'll run it right through the racks. So there's like a tunnel for the guys to put it for distribution.
No, that's cool. Now, is there like a limit how high these racks can go? I mean, I know these have a height, but
I think we have to be 2 feet from the sprinkler system. So I think we can go like 24 feet high. The ceilings are about 26. That's down from the riser. Like you see how this whole thing is kind of rough. So that the sprinklers, if we go off, don't get a shock. To figure out how we can get, we'll need the inventory for power locations.
push.
And if it's locked, if it has the capability to track lock,